Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my beloved lecturer, Dr. Huraizah binti Arshad. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Danial bin Shahrulshah from CFAP 1255C, and today I will be explaining my presentation on property management, focusing on defects in building. For the defect that I have chose for this project is at Faculty Seni Lukis and Seni Reka, Campus UiTM Seri Iskandar. Without wasting our time, let's jump into the presentation. Firstly, what are building defects? Building defects are problems that reduce the safety, comfort, and the value of the property. There are three main types of building defect that I'm going to explain, which is the structural defects, the mechanical defects, and electrical defects. I will explain each type along with their causes. Now, let's jump into the type of defects. These are the three defects that I have told earlier in the presentation. First, let's discuss the structural defects. Structural defects are problems found in the load-bearing parts of a building, such as the foundation, beams, columns, and walls. These defects can affect the stability and safety of the building. And the causes of structural defects include poor construction, workmanship, use of a low quality or unsuitable building material, weak foundation design, soil movement or ground settlement, lack of proper maintenance over time. And the example of structural defects are cracks in wall, sloping floor, and foundation failure. If not repaired early, structural defects can make a building unsafe or uninhabitable. Next, we have the mechanical defects. Mechanical defects involve problems with building system such as air conditioning, plumbing, and other mechanical service. And the causes of mechanical defects include poor installation or of mechanical system, design error during planning stage, lack of regular servicing and maintenance, wear and tear of equipment over time, use of faulty or low quality component, and the example including leaking pipes, malfunctioning air conditioning system, and poor ventilation. Mechanical defects can cause discomfort, higher repair costs, and health issue for occupant. And the last one is the electrical defects. Electrical defects comes when there are issue in the building electrical system. Causes of electrical defects include faulty or damaged wiring, improper grounding, overloaded electrical circuit, poor electrical installation process, use of outdated or substandard electrical material. And the common example are the short circuit, power failure, and fire hazard. Electrical defects are very dangerous because they can lead to electrical shock or fire if not properly managed. Now, I'm going to show you some example of structural defects, mechanical defects, and electrical defects that I have found at Faculty Seni Lukis and Seni Reka, Campus Seri Iskandar. For the structural defects, this picture show an example of structural defects in the building. We can see the cracks on the roof, stair, and also mold in the wall. If this problem is not repaired early, it can reduce the stability and safety of the building and may even lead to structural failure. Now for the mechanical defects. This picture represents mechanical defects in the building. For example, the image may show leaking pipes, broken door, and missed component on the lamp. Although mechanical defects may not immediately cause structural collapse, they can lead to discomfort, water damage, and higher maintenance costs to the building. And the last one is the electrical defects. This picture shown an example of electrical defects in the building. Electrical defects such as faulty wiring, overloaded circuit, or improper grounding are very dangerous. Therefore, electrical system must always be installed and inspected by qualified professional to ensure safety to the building. In conclusion, building defects can be classified into structural, mechanical, and electrical defects, each with different causes and effects. Understanding the cause of this defect helps property manager take preventive action, and maintain building more effectively. Proper inspection, quality construction, and regular maintenance are essential to ensure safety and long-term performance of a building. And that's all from me. Thank you.